Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and today somebody sent me this photograph. They actually sent me like 4 of them, and this has ended up being the best. He evidently didn't plan on using it when he took the pictures to engrave it, or he would have put it, hung it. It would have been perfect if you could have hung it just on this wall and just had an all orange background, but that's too late now. So we're just going to hit the plus key. You always make a copy. Then click on your item and go over to your virtual segment delete key or your crop key fly out and crop out the deer's head and make sure you get all the antlers. Don't try to get more than you need, and then hit crop. And then I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to make it really small, under 3 inches. So I've got it pretty close, and here's what I've already done with it. I don't know if he wants to, and there's a little more work that could be done, but that's pretty good. Even the roughness of the antlers, and you could do more on the eyes and his nose or his cavities and stuff. But anyway, we're going to take this clip art, and we're going to go trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art. Clip art I use probably 99.9% of the time. It seems to work the best. There's a lot going on with this photo, so it's a little bit slow. We're going to see how it looks, and then we could always jump up the detail. But it looks pretty good. Let's up the detail just a little bit and see if it does anything to the orange background. There it is. It took it away. Now, by doing that, we got these lines, but we can get rid of those lines. Now, with that said, let's just move this out of the way, and when you move it, you can see those lines. So what I would suggest do first, let's zoom in here. It's pretty good. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the art, and we're going to go to object, and we're going to group, and we're going to ungroup it. Then we're going to get all this junk out of the way and get all this stuff we do not need, and kind of watch what's going on. Don't take away too much of the eye cavity. This one isn't working out as well as the first one I did. And just remember that if you want to get rid of all this stuff, just go in here and see there's 15 objects in there, maybe too much detail for us. But I'm gone past the part where I can really go back. So I'm watching the deer's head as I'm deleting this stuff. And then keep in mind that anything you touch or you completely encase is going to make it disappear. So if we go from here holding down the Alt key, everything inside there is going to disappear. If we hold down the Alt key again, just making sure we're not getting any part of the deer, everything's going to disappear. For some reason, this isn't working out as well as the first one, but it's going to work. So we're going to hold down the Alt key. What the Alt key does, it just grabs everything inside that box. If we do this, it's only going to grab the stuff that's actually 100% in cases. But if we hold down the Alt key, everything it just absolutely touches. Now on a line like that, you just need to kind of watch out. We're going to get the bigger stuff out of the way. Now see, I've lost part of the eye cavity, but it all depends on your situation and what you want it to look like. I mean, the eye cavity is kind of gone. These little flecks that are inside the deer head aren't really going to matter, because we're going to convert all those things to black. And we don't want to forget, and this would be a good reason to use the freehand pick tool, because the freehand pick tool, you could go closer to the deer's head and come out and get more stuff and then delete it. Now to save you time, I'm going to stop this video and start it again after I've cleaned it up. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.